Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica and in today's video I'm going to walk you through my home and show you how I have my house decorated for summer this year. If you are wondering how I decorated certain rooms, I will have those videos linked down in my description box. I recently just did my backyard as well, so I'm going to give you a quick view of that in this video. Also, I am so excited about this video because it is a collab with my awesome friend Missy. You will love her. She decorated her home using the lemons as well. She has that farmhouse look and she always has the cutest decor. She is the sweetest person in the world. On her channel she does a lot of cooking, but she is going to be getting into more of the cleaning videos, and I'm pretty sure she's going to get into the decorating videos. She better, because she decorates so adorable. I mean, look at her decor. It is just so darn cute. I love her. You will love her too. So make sure that you check out her video as soon as you are done watching mine, and let's just get right into it. So like most of my home tour videos, I don't like to do a lot of talking. I like to just let you watch the video and relax with the music. So I will answer the most asked questions, like the most asked about items. If there is an item that you see that you are wondering where I purchased it from, feel free to ask down in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer for you. I do get asked about these lanterns right here when you first walk in, and I purchased those and the hooks at Hobby Lobby. The window pane was purchased at Kirkland's, and then those two shutters on each side of the window pane, those were purchased at Michael's. I do get asked about this sign right here a lot, and that was purchased at Home Goods. So I just want to take a really quick second and thank all of you that are new to my channel today and that you have headed on over from Missy's channel. I want to say thank you. I appreciate your views so incredibly much, and I truly hope that you consider subscribing to my channel as well. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you, and if you are new, I would love for you to stop by in the comments and just say hello. So the first room that I'm going to show you is the family room, and I decorated this room in that nautical look with like the seashells and like those types of colors with the mermaid and everything. I do get asked about the mermaid, and I did purchase her at Ross. Those rope balls that you see up on the mantle, I purchased those at Target Dollar Spot, or Target in the Dollar Spot last year. I believe it was last year or the year before. I also get asked about my slipcover a lot that's on this couch, and I did actually make this. And those pillows that you see right here with the stripe on them with the bee, I purchased those at Home Goods.
In all the places I have seen, they all felt like a home. Every day is a new scene outside my comfort zone. And all the girls are calling me the one who got away, got a song to play. I've been soaking up the sun and I've been walking through the rain. Started singing just for fun, sometimes to take away the pain. I've been dancing in the moonlight, slept underneath the stars, and the music has taken me far. Just me and my guitar. Oh, I've seen the world from every corner. I've gone from north to south, crossed every border.
I have a hutch here that sits pretty much between the two rooms, the family room and the kitchen, and I really wanted to use the lemons in my kitchen and the other two rooms that you will see here in a minute, and I wanted to mix the two, the beach decor with the lemons, just to kind of make it flow a little bit better into the kitchen instead of just being straight a different type of decor. So I feel like, me personally, I feel like I did somewhat of a good job doing that here on this hutch. And I have gotten asked about the scale here. I purchased the scale at Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and then that beach oar, that was purchased at Target. And I get tons of questions about this little plate rack right here, this metal one that you see. And I purchased that at Hobby Lobby a few years back. It was actually on clearance during, I think it was between the fall and Christmas season. I also get asked about these plates with the lemons on those, and those were purchased at Home Goods.
Round the world, more to see. The limit is the sky. I've been soaking up the sun and I've been walking through the rain. Started singing just for fun, sometimes to take away the pain. I've been dancing in the moonlight, slept underneath the stars. And the music has taken me far. Just me and my guitar. Me and my guitar. Ooh, just me and my guitar. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground.
So now I'm going to take you into the kitchen, and I do get asked about this diffuser all the time. I did purchase it at Marshall's, but I did find the exact one on Amazon, and I always have that linked in my description box.
I can promise you're the only thing I see.
All of the labels that I have in my kitchen, including this dish soap label and the labels that are on my glass canisters that you will see in a second, I always have those linked down in my description box. I do get asked about those quite often. I did purchase the glass canisters at Walmart.
Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me.
So now I'm going to take you into the formal dining room and the living room area before I take you outside. And right in here I have the table set with Dollar Tree plates. Yes, can you believe that? These plates here that are sitting on the table are from the Dollar Tree. The lemon plates are from the Dollar Tree. The white plates that are underneath those I purchased at Home Goods. And then these placemats here, I purchased those at Hobby Lobby just recently, and they were, I think they were under $2. I can't remember. They were like $1 and change. They were on clearance. All of their spring items are 80% off right now, and you can use these throughout the seasons. And I purchased all of the lemons at I purchased those at Hobby Lobby as well. Those were 50% off. I get asked about this scale here, and I purchased that at Home Goods. And then the greenery, I believe all of the greenery was purchased at Hobby Lobby.
A place that only we can see. When light lights go out. You're in my mind. I close my eyes.
So I wanted to add a little bit of green here on this wall, and I thought this farmhouse mailbox would look perfect with some greenery cascading out of it. I purchased the mailbox for $5 at Michael's. I think it was an Easter item last year, and it was such a good deal. And yeah, I purchased that at Michael's. And then I just have a few pops of yellow in this room here. I have this really soft lemon blanket that I purchased at Ross last year, and then that pillow that you saw on the couch with the lemons, I made that last year.
When spring is coming. Where are you now? I hope you're fine, but I won't lie, I still miss you so much, but I don't hold grudge.
So before I take you upstairs and show you what I've done differently in the bedroom, I'm going to quickly show you outside. I recently did a video. I did like a back patio makeover, and I had so much fun with that video. And if you want to watch that video, I will have that linked in my description box. It's one of my more recent videos, but I just wanted to quickly show you the backyard. It is so much fun out here during the summer, and even when it's hot, we could just jump in the pool. And yeah, so I just want to quickly show you what I did back here. I bought the pillow covers off of Amazon. If you are interested in those, I do have those linked in the video that I will have linked. I recently just purchased this really cute thermometer with the bee on it at Hobby Lobby when I was there last week, and I believe it was on clearance, 80% off. I believe it was a spring item. But yeah, it's just really nice and peaceful back here, and I love sitting out here in the mornings and drinking my coffee, and it's just really, really nice to enjoy the beauty of everything. So now I'm going to quickly take you upstairs and show you how I have decorated my room differently for summer. I probably will kind of keep it this way. Well, if you know me, you know I don't keep things a certain way too long, but I am really loving the boho chic style. I feel like it's so comfortable and flowy and just really relaxing, and that's what I want my room to be. So I made that wall hanging piece, that decor piece, with some ribbon and some lace and some ripped up fabric. I made that the other day, and then I just tied some feathers to that. And I do get asked about my bedding quite often. I purchased that at Target, and I do believe that they still have it. If you have any questions about anything that you see in my house and you are curious to know where I purchased it, or if I made it, or anything at all, please feel free to ask down in the comments below.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
Well, that is it for my summer home tour. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you are new, and go ahead and go watch Missy's video right now. I will have her video linked in my description box. Let her know that I sent you, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.